Starbucks Workers United community members and partners gathered at the entrance of the Starbucks on College Avenue in Ithaca, New York, on June 8 to protest the company's decision to permanently close the store this Friday. This decision has left workers with less than a week's notice and resulted in them calling for a boycott of other Starbucks stores around the city. Starbucks lawyers met twice with the unionized workers of the store to offer them the option of applying to transfer to another location. However, the company would not guarantee the workers' jobs moving forward, leaving them scrambling. Cornell student Alayna Earl, who is a member of the union, has been working as a barista for 2 years at the store, which is the closest Starbucks to campus. Most Cornell students don't have cars, she said, so even if they are transferred to another store, workers who are also students would face the challenge of getting to and from work. Though unable to attend the protest, Earl sat in on the second bargaining meeting between unionized workers and lawyers on Wednesday. She said the conversation went in circles, with lawyers reiterating that they would not reopen the store anytime soon. Along with not being guaranteed transfers, the lawyers told the workers that they could not guarantee the same hours. "One thing that we're worried about is if we transfer to a different store that already has a fully staffed team, are we still gonna get the same amount of hours that we've been getting?" Questions remain as to why the College Avenue store had to close, as Starbucks refused to provide company data on the decision. Starbucks did not respond to NPR's request for comment. During the Wednesday meeting, Earl said that the reasoning provided by the lawyers didn't resonate with her or the workers. They said things like, "Our efficiency wasn't up to par," and they wanted to improve the customer and barista experience. "But we weren't consulted. They didn't ask whether our store was efficient for us. It was kind of based on Starbucks standards, but then they weren't really going over what the standards entailed," she added. Earl said that to her, the coffee shop has been integral to Cornell's campus, with customers coming in and out all the time for coffee and to study, which sparked even more confusion among workers regarding its closing. "A lot of us were confused as to why it was closing so suddenly because the law. But it's the most profitable store in Ithaca because of how close it is to Cornell's campus and because of how many students visit that store each day," Earl said. Workers speculate that the store is closing as in retaliation for their unionization.